Hello student, how are you? Today's our topic is table and table is providing an insert group. First, what is table? Table is a combination of row and column which is used to contain the information in well mannered. So, how you can insert your table in MS Word document and other document format? First, we click on insert group and it display table option and we click on table button and there is a different type of option to create your table. First, we can select from here row and column and click and it create our table. Again, next option is to create table, insert table. When you click on it, it's open a small window to insert table and it provide number of column and number of rows. So you can insert from here, select your number of column and number of rows and click OK. Then it create tables. Next, other option is draw table. You can draw a table, click on it and you can see your mouse pointer is converted in pencil and you can draw your table as like that. Okay. And next option to insert Excel spreadsheet, it insert a Excel Excel option and it create spreadsheets and you can select cells and enter your data. Okay. And last option is quick table. Quick table, it provide a layout of your table in different design and you can select from any design and you can change your data as your requirement like class students. Okay, like fifth student 41, sixth student. Okay, this is the other option of creating table. Now in this video we are studying about table and how you can formatting your table, how can you insert, delete row and column, extra. So first we insert a table as our requirement. Okay, so this is your table. When this is select, it's open its table tools, design and layout. So select design. First we enter some data in our table. Okay, we insert some data and name. So understand how we can insert data. So first, when you want to put your information or data, so you have to select first field name. Okay, and according field name you can insert your data. So we can see name, subject, marks, position, grade. This is field name. And Swati, Pooja, Sonam, Neha, this is the name fields information. Math, science, physics, chemistry, this is the subject field information. Marks, field name, and these are marks, these are the marks fields. Position, these are position fields information, and these are grade field information. A, B, B. Okay. When you type in your, and this is cell. Table is a combination of row and column, and when row and column intersect each other, and this rectangular box is known as a cell, and you can um, type your data in this cell by double clicking or by select the cell and click F2. So this is your cell. When you type your data and want to jump in another cell, so you need a tab option. If you press enter, then your cursor shift in your current cell and it provide a space between your cells. So you need a tab option to jump in other cell. So first, design option. Formatting, we can use formatting options like, when first of all you select your table, this option you can see, this is option, it is used for selecting, and from this you can select and drag your table or move your table one position to another position, for which you hold your left mouse button. And this option you can see from, you can enlarge your tables from this, and like that. Okay, now select your table, and it provided design of table. It's, there is a different type of layout of your table design. You can select any design to uh, apply your table, like that, like that, like that, as you need your requirement. Okay, just this. Okay, and shading, you can select shading from here and apply themes at your table border. It apply the border at your table, and it is separate display your content. Draw a border. If you, this border you can scaling your border, this is points, like that. This is the border. Okay, and draw table eraser. Eraser, it is used to erase your content or your table formatting which is you applied. Okay, so again, default position, you press Ctrl Z, and yeah, again your table in a reset condition. Now other formatting option is available in layout, table layout. It provide different type of options. Okay, first, one by one, layout, delete option. Delete option, it delete cell, delete column, delete row, delete table. Okay, and the insert option, it insert your table above, below, insert left, insert right. 1 minute. Okay, again we control Z. Okay, okay. First, delete cell. If you want to delete any cell, so you can use this option: delete column, delete row, delete table. So this this row is extra unnecessary row, so you can delete from select and delete row. So row is delete. If you want to cell delete or other, so you can select from it. Insert, it insert a entire table at your table above and is below, like that. You can see this. There is another table option is table create at above the our existing table. Now again insert below. Uh, Again it there is a insert and a table in our created table. Okay, insert left. There is insert left table and insert right. This is insert right. Okay, merge cell. It merge means combine the two or more than cells in one cell. So it merge the all cell. Again, so you can use control Z and again take your previous table. Split cell, it split the cell. Okay, so each cell is split in this is select from column or row. Okay, and this split your cell. It divided into many cells. So again you can control Z and take your uh, tables. And split table, this is used for to split a table, so it split your table in two or more tables. Okay, and this option is used for select your moving table or drag your table from one position to another, and this option is used to resize your table. You can increase your table size or you can again reduce your table size. Okay, and auto fit option is content auto fit content is it fit your content auto fit to your windows is fit your windows as its requirement, and fixed column width is fixed. If you change your cells height and width, then select your any cells like that or like this, and you can change your height and width at your cell. You can see. Okay, and again press Ctrl Z and you reset your table content. Text direction is used for alignment, left, right, center, extra. Okay, so you can select any row or column by this. When you select a column or row, first you can select your columns and then your mouse pointer is look like arrow and click on this. This is select your entire all column and you can change from here, select align center like that, and you can formatting apply whole column as your requirement. Like you can change your name style, name size, or color like this. Cell margin, you can change cell margin like from select any cell and you can change from your cell margin. Okay, okay, this is cell margins is applied in your whole tables. Sorting, you can sort your text data ascending or descending order. Okay, column 1 2 3 4 5 you guys select and okay, so maybe it's ascending or descending, so change your position and again click on Ctrl Z and just take reset condition. So this is the table style, view, grid lines, properties. This is the, if you need any other formatting or you don't want to manually do your work, so always click right, select any cell or row, and from this there is a all options are available and you can insert column, single row, single line like that. This or like this. So this is your table style, table formatting options, which is used to make effective and attractive for representation. So keep watching. Have a nice day.